You already know how this works, guys. While the majority of all these fakes out there are bringing you all the hype shoes, I'm bringing you the gems that you missed out on or maybe want to get back into your collection. Let's start it off with this one right here. Check it out, guys. Let's get into these bad boys right here. I will show you the presentation in just a little bit, guys. But yes, here they are, guys. The Jordan 11 Low Citrus. Boy, this is the Nina right here, bro. I'm telling you, these things are gorgeous. But obviously, guys, we got to start off with the presentation. We got to show the presentation because this is days, not super old school, but it's from the days. As you guys can see right there, the whole box white, beautiful, no glossy on this one, guys. Unfortunately, no glossy. It has a semi-gloss, but what is glossy is that Jumpman logo right in the middle of the lid. Yes, in gold, and I love gold. Very beautiful, guys. I love that right there. The rest of the box is nice and subtle, but right here on the side you actually see the Jumpman logo in gold as well. Very beautiful. And you see the QR codes, the whole shebang. The whole sticker is in white, and the little Jumpman logo on top of that little scanning thing is in gold. And these retailed for $185 US. Yeah, guys, I wish that was 185 pesos, but nah, not gonna be. Guys, I got these straight from eBay. I got a great deal on them, and I'm gonna put the link below on StockX, maybe Gold or something like that, whoever has them available. But this is one hell of a sneaker. I'll get into the details, and I will do an on foot for you guys and the sizing, the whole shebang, how did this year ran when it came to the Jordan 11s. So let's get into it immediately because I ain't got time to waste. The patent leather, guys, solid white all the way through. Clean. That's the most I'm gonna say. Clean. It's gorgeous. This is one of the cleanest sneakers with no lie whatsoever that you could have. Wait till I get into the details of these. Check this out right there. Look at the whole upper of the sneaker. The whole upper is in leather, and the only parts that have the mesh is the actual lace holders. The tongue is in leather. Very nice soft leather too, guys. Same as the sides. It's nice and supple leather. Very nice, as you guys can see it right there. Nice and cushiony. Very gorgeous. And you see the Jumpman logo right in the middle in orange with the whole font in white. Very nice. Going into the inside of the sneaker, the insole is all orange and the Jumpman logo in white as well. Going into the midsole, you see that translucent orange all the way to the back. Very, very nice. And heading all the way to the back of the sneaker, you see the Jumpman logo. That is pretty nicely detailed for being so little. The 23 on top of that ankle collar in orange. Very nice. Very good stitching. No glue marks whatsoever on this one, guys. Very clean job. Now going into the sole of the sneaker, beautiful. This thing is gorgeous, guys. Translucent orange all the way through with that pattern in the toe box and the pattern on the heel. Very nice. That one, guys, is in solid. And you see the carbon fiber under that translucent, that in this case, the carbon fiber is black mixed with orange. When it comes to the rest of the sneaker, guys, what else is there to say? It's a Jordan 11 with a very unique color. Now, here is the little butt to this shoe. It's actually not much of a little butt, not the skinny kind. No, it's actually a pretty big butt, because certain people are gonna probably be a little unhappy about this. This only came out in women's sizing, and I think it only goes all the way to size 11 or 11 and a half. But I know guaranteed that this was a woman's exclusive. In my case, I got lucky, guys. The size 11 of women's, that is a 9.5 for men. So I got lucky on that. The benefits of having a small foot. Hey, guys, you know what I'm saying? And don't be thinking nothing weird over here, because it's true, unfortunately. So now when it comes to the sizing, it is a woman's exclusive. And a lot of people don't know this. Do your research. women's sneakers are actually longer than men's. Yes, it's actually a few millimeters longer than men's. It is maybe a little bit more narrow that I have measured them before, and they're identically the same, but they are a little bit longer in the front and they're a little bit narrower, supposedly. What I do know guaranteed, if you look at the measurements in the box, it is longer. The mythical narrow, the box says identically the same as the men's version. So I say, when it comes to these bad boys right here, stick true to size. This runs perfect. In my case, it runs beautiful. As you guys can see right there on foot, very nice and stylish. I could rock this with some Hurricanes gear, Miami Dolphins. I could even rock something of another state. I could rock some Houston Astros. I could rock whatever team has orange, or I just feel like rocking it with other teams, guys. I just go and I throw it down with some orange, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get the swag on, some groove on. Even though I'm not really into the whole I gotta match perfect all the way through, that thing to me is corny and it's cheesy. I just keep it by to the hat. The rest I like to play with it. You gotta be unique, you know what I'm saying? And give me 1 second that I'm missing actually a final little detail right here. And yes, guys, where the hell is it? Where is it? And the box almost fell. Now I'm panicking. Where is it? Where the hell is it? It should be around here somewhere. Oh, yes, it is. There you go. You see what I'm saying? It tricks you, dog. It tricks you. It does come with an extra pair of laces. But you might be asking yourself, those are white laces as well. No, guys, they're a little bit different. Check them out right there on screen. These are more elastic kind. It's not more like a braid. It's not a cotton braid. This one is more the elastic kind of shoelaces that is very unique. In my case, guys, I don't know if I'll be using these laces, but it is pretty damn dope that a pair of Jordan 11s actually brings a pair of extra laces. It's the first time I see it, guys. Besides, wait. Let me pause myself right there. The Derek Jeters, they do come with extra pair of laces. But yes, still very rare, guys. So there you guys have it. The Jordan 11 Citrus, very beautiful. I'll find a way to undestock these, go somewhere. I don't know, I'll probably go to the Dolphins game or Hurricanes game or something like that. I'll rock them. I'll bring you guys the footages. If you guys are interested, like I said, I'll leave a link below. And hopefully you can find the best deal out there. Also check on eBay. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Think outside the box. Look for the gems, guys. Peace! Eco Eddie!